think so.
Yeah, fucking. You're good. Plenty of room on.
Hell yeah, dude. Dude, this is the ultimate, bro. I love this deal. What?
You want to chain the front axle or hang it off the bags?
Like right now, it's hanging out.
Should be hanging off the shocks.
Yeah, as long as you're cool.
Yeah, as long as it's probably.
Whatever, dude. It's probably all junk anyway. I ain't gonna use that suspension.
Might as well, right? Yeah, I got him.
Hey.
So he sent that picture to me too.
What, Drake's dick?
Yeah.
See Drake posted something on Twitter of him jerking off?
No.
Oh, yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Everybody whacks it. Whatever. Let me just see
I
how
think
it
you'll
feels.
be alright.
Because the low will shift.
Oh, it side shifts. Okay, yeah,
Let me just see how it feels.
Yeah.
That thing's handy in your shirt pocket, dude.
Right there.
So I just wanted to point out and show you guys this from this angle. Watch how Brian totally matches me. As I let this down with the lull here in a second, you're going to watch. Brian's going to totally match me with the DTU. And I just tell you what, the DAB boys, they're so freaking nice to work with, man. Just total professionals. They know your next move before you even do it. Like, we didn't even plan that, dude. He just friggin' did it, dude. Like, just on the friggin' ball. And, it's worth paying good people. They're worth the money. They're worth the money. Can't say enough good about them. Huge shout out to you guys. Thanks for helping me with this. So much fun. We had a blast. They were there all day. What a treat! Go, you're a genius.
That went great.
Dude,
Yeah.
classic.
It's hooked up to the truck. Something to
Nice work matching me, dude.
Right,
It was
yeah,
perfect.
right. Uh-oh.
No, I mean, dude,
wow, what a time to walleye.
Like we couldn't have timed it.
Wayne wants some.
Wayne might.
Oh wow, it is quite nice.
Yeah, right?
do we need to unload that before we move it?
No.
We can move it right. It's ready to rock and roll right now. Somebody
Okay.
wants to steer it, that's all.
You want to
Well,
drop it now or?
No, that's what I was wondering. I didn't know if you could get in there to steer. I didn't know how loaded full of shit he
It
had.
looks pretty decent. Yeah, that sounds pretty nice actually.
Jason, the mirrors are folded in. I busted this bolt on it. I'm trying to loosen it. That's all.
Way she
I
goes,
said,
dude.
You can keep the zip ties.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate that. No charge?
No charge.
Perfect. What a deal.
Surprised us back to the snow as well as it did. Way out there.
I thought we were gonna get stuck.
Going down.
Well, boys, we're at the DAB shop, and they have got this beautiful Freightliner Argosy, 14 liter, that they're gonna put the DTU on off of that green thing. I'm gonna set a 315s for it, so we're gonna jam them on and see how they work.
Sit here, watch me fart.
Right there, yeah.
Get the core too.
Oh yeah. You guys will watch me do enough tires, so we're not recording this. Not watching me struggle today. 315s were the cock for Dolly here. Dude, it's so long. So long. Bro, fire it up. Put a strap on it. Yeah, oh yeah. Definitely needs a little juice, dude. There's no black smoke at all. So, yeah, something. You gotta turn it up.
Just enough so she house call on her shift. Yeah, just a little.
It just needs a little, yeah. It's way too clean for, like, dead rev. So if you haven't figured it out already, looks like I did buy that Pete from Jason. And I guess we're going to be doing a 12V92 swap on the channel, so stay tuned for that. As always, I appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, pop on over to old2stroker.com. We do it nice because we do it twice. T-shirts and white mud flaps are selling like hotcakes, and I don't want you to miss out. Huge thanks to the patrons for keeping this boat afloat. None of this, what we're doing here, is cheap, and I appreciate all the help from you guys. Also, like to give a big shout out to DAB Towing. Just couldn't have went any better with this crew. I tell you what, just aces. So thank you very much for your help. We will see you guys in the next video.